Now, good morning, students. We are continuing our chapter. In this chapter, we already studied about functional groups and homologous series in previous video. Now, we are going to study chemical properties of organic compound. It is also an important topic. We already studied about combustions from smaller classes. Okay, what is combustion? To anything that is have capability to be burned to give us heat and light, that is combustible substance, right? So what is combustion reaction? Burning of substance in presence of air, means when air is present, any substance is burned, then it is called a combustible reaction. Now here C plus O2, what is C? Carbon. If carbon is, we all know carbon is a combustible substance. If O2 is a air, when carbon will react with oxygen, so it will burn, okay, then it will give us what a product? Carbon dioxide, heat and light. Now, complete combustion of a saturated hydrocarbon forms blue non-softy flame. Not non-softy flame. Now, we all know what is saturated hydrocarbons, in which structures have only single bond present, then it is called saturated hydrocarbons. So when combustible substance burn, it gives us blue flame. Okay, when incomplete combustion of saturated hydrocarbons forms yellow softy flames. We all know when candle is burning, there are two color of flames. One is blue, normally one is blue and yellow orange, right? When it was completely okay, where complete combustions of saturated hydrocarbons happen, then it gives us blue flame. If it was incomplete, then it will give us yellow flame. Okay, it was same for unsaturated hydrocarbons also. Disadvantages of combustion. What was the disadvantages of combustion? Softy flames pollutes environments. If not sooty flames. What is sooty? The smoke is when we are burning a candle at our home. So under a roof, under anything. So after some time we will see that the black, the whole portion of that upper part will be black. Why? Because of sooty flames. So it pollutes the environment also. It produces CO and poisonous gas. So we will hear about poison and venom. So what is poison and what is venom? What was the difference between poison and venom? So I will tell you. If you will eat anything and if we will eat anything and we will die, that is called a poison. If anyone will bite us, like snake is biting us, so then we will dead, it is called a venom. Okay, the difference between only in both cases a poison will be used, right? But the method of gaining a poison is declare us that is poisonous or venom. If we will take by own, means if we will eat, then we will die, it is called a poisonous. Okay, poisonous substance. If someone is bite us and we will die, that is called a venom. So here CO2 is produced. So we are taking a CO, carbon monoxide, right? That's we are taking, that's why it is called a poisonous gas. Okay, wastage of fuel, means fuels are wastage when combustion, like vehicles, petrol, diesels, they are wastage. Okay, so these are the disadvantages of combustion. Why substance burn with or without flame? Some substance are burning with a flame and some substance doesn't burn with a flame. Why this happens? The substance which are volatile produce flame on heating. Okay, means they have different structure, different chemicals are present in that, they produce a different type of flames. Non-volatile substance do not produce flame. Like when we are burning a candle, mostly we are seeing that only yellow orange color light is produced, right? But when we are burning a gas, okay, so it have yellow, blue, green, this type of flames are present. Why? There are different type of chemicals present in atmosphere as well as in the surface of a gas. That's why it have different types of flames. So this will be decided, it will burn with a flame or without a flame. Here it was a diagram of a flame of a candle, right? Now when we burn the candle, it was a wax candle. When we burn the candle, we get two type of color, one is blue, one is yellow orange, and from down part unburnt carbon is present, means black portion. So blue is a non-softy, means outermost zone, yellow orange are softy, it is middle zone, and this down portion is called an unburnt carbon, it is also called as innermost zone. So this is the chemical properties of an organic compound. Some chemical properties also present like oxidation, addition reaction and substitution reaction. So this type of reactions will be happen in combustion. What is that? Addition of oxygen to any substance or the substance which helps to add oxygen, means a substance which helps, means it will if we will add the oxygen, it is called an oxidation. So that substance who add the oxygen, that substance is called oxidizing agent. Understand what is oxidizing agent? If any substance helps to add oxygen in a reaction, that is called an oxidizing reaction, and the oxygen is added in any reaction, it is called an oxidation reaction. Now here it is an example, CH3CH2OH. It is called an ethanol. We will study the whole process how we prepare an ethanol and ethanoic acid in our next video. So ChemNO plus heat, it was the catalyst. What is catalyst? Anything that is provided externally to the reaction but they doesn't count in a reaction, that is called a catalyst. So what we get? Ethanoic acid. Okay, so here oxygen is added. In ethanol we added an oxygen, nascent oxygen, means they doesn't have smell. Okay, so that's why it is called an ethanoic acid. What is addition reaction? The reaction in which atoms or group of atoms are added to double or triple bond, means in which atoms and group of atoms have added with a double and triple bond, then it is called an addition reaction. Here example, this is called a vegetable oil in which double bond is present. So we will add hydrogen and it will give us vegetable ghee. So understand, this was an example of addition reaction in which atoms or group of atoms are added to double or triple bond. Now substitution reaction. What is substitution reaction? Reaction which involve displacement or substitution of atoms. We already know that with the name substitute means removing. Yeah, we have to put value, right? So we have to substitute, means we have to displacement or substitution of atoms or group of atoms of an organic compound, in which see here we have taken methane. Methane will be react with chlorine, not atom, molecule, Cl2. Okay, it was molecule. So when methane will be react with chlorine molecule, it give us chloromethane. We all know what is chlorine. Which functional group belongs chlorine? Chlorine is belonging to homologens group. So when it combined with any compound chlorine, then it is make us chloro, right? That's why its name was chloromethane, CH3Cl, okay, plus HCl. This gives us a product. When chloromethane is heated with again Cl molecules, it gives us dichloromethane. Okay, then dichloromethane again react with chlorine molecules, it gives us trichloromethane. When trichloromethane is again react with chlorine molecule, it gives us tetrachloromethane. While see here chlorine have one atom, here 2, 3 and 4. That's why their name was continuously changing. And what was he? H mu means here light is present. Another way we will say this reaction is going in the presence of sunlight. That's why we have taken here H mu. Okay, so these are the chemical properties of combustion, organic compounds. So today we will study about chemical properties of organic compound. Only 2 and 3 topics are remaining to complete this chapter. This is the longest chapter. Okay, we will study till now. Okay, thank you.